Hello from the MUSUBI kitchen in Japan. I'm Tomoa. Today I'm going to introduce one of the most popular dishes in Japan and abroad, Tonkotsu ramen. The rich and savory ramen features a signature creamy broth that's packed with a flavor. And today, I'll be serving it in one of our brand new ramen bowl, so be sure to check that out too. Alright, let's get started on our homemade Tonkotsu-Style ramen.
Let's start with ingredients. Here's what you need for 2 servings. Today, I've also prepared and set aside some extra Chashu pork as a topping. This is totally optional, but it really takes the dish to the next level. You can find a full ingredient list and measurement in the description below. Let's prepare our topping first. Soak the wood ear mushroom in hot water and then slice them. Slice a green onion thinly. Toppings are a big part of what makes Japanese ramen so special. Now let's make the broth. Heat sesame oil in a pot over medium heat and sauté the pork belly slice. Season with a little salt and pepper. And cook until nicely browned. This step adds a lot of rich flavor to the broth. Next, add water and then bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, skimming off the broth that rises to the top as it cooks. The broth will become infused with the pork flavor during the steps. Skimming well will give you a clean, beautiful soup. Now add the chicken stock powder, miso, soy sauce, mirin, garlic, ginger, and lard. Then, lower the heat and gently stir in the unsweetened soy milk. Here's a tip. Soy milk can separate if it boils, so keep the heat low and warm it gently. In a separate pot, cook your ramen noodles. Thin noodles are the perfect match for Tonkotsu-style broth. Once cooked, drain them well and place them into your ramen bowl. Now, let's plate everything up. Today, I'm using our brand new ramen bowl. This bowl is generously sized, so it's easily hold both of the soup and toppings. It's also thick and insulating, so which keep your ramen piping hot to the last bite. Pour the broth over the noodles, then top with pork bellies. Add any of your favorite toppings: green onion, bean sprout, mushroom, red pickled ginger, and more chashu. And it's done! Homemade Tonkotsu-style ramen. It smells amazing. Itadakimasu. It's so rich and creamy, but not too heavy. The balance of pork flavor and soy milk richness is just perfect. I hope you try this recipe at home. If you're curious about the bowl that I used today, you can find a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.